Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock if you've got one. Now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it. Simply tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, tap on OK. Confirm everything with your screen lock, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.